All right, so today I'm gonna take a look at this Samsung A30. I got this unlocked version. It's I guess it's the Latin American variant. Um, yeah, so I was trying to decide which phone to go with, and I was thinking of the A20, and I was debating whether that one or the A30, and I kind of looked at the specs. They kind of are similar. They have the 4,000 milliamp battery. They have the same form factor. This one has the 64 gigabytes of memory and the 4 gigabytes of RAM. So this was slightly better, and the fact that this one had the 1080p screen AMOLED, I believe. Well, let me get this sticker out of the way. This happens when you don't got any nails. Hopefully, I don't rip the box, and there we go, ripping the box. Um, of course, since it's a Latin American variant, it's in Spanish. It says pantalla Infinity U, cámara dual, batería de 4000. So you will know that it's all. So let's open it up, see how it looks. And the reason I got this one is because I was looking for a dual SIM phone. Since I have somebody, I got this for somebody, and since they travel a lot to Mexico, I kind of figured out it will be very helpful to kind of have a dual SIM phone. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so here's the unboxing. We have the Samsung box. Oh, okay. There's some things in here. Let's open this up. Okay, comes with a case. That's cool. I'll put that later. Um, and let's get the phone out. Okay, I got the white version. Looks nice. Now, I'm really interested in these new phones because they're supposed to be like the cheaper version, more budget friendly, but they kind of look nice. And I did order the Note 10 for myself since I was due for an upgrade. I would like to see how they look. Since this one's supposed to have a 6.4-inch screen, I believe. Let's see. Oh, it's in the back here. Uh, yeah, I don't see it somewhere. They have it in millimeters, so they don't have it in inches. So let's see. Try to open this. Okay, I'm trying to do it the nice way. Alright, I guess I pull it from here. There is no nice way. Oh, here we go. There you go. Alright. Alright, so that looks nice. It has a nice little glossy back. If At first it does feel like glass, but then when you really feel it, you can really feel the bend. You can feel it bend, so definitely plastic. All right, let's see what else comes in here. We have these are some cheap headphones. Then we have the USB-C, and we got a free 64 gigabyte memory card. It's probably like the cheapest version of it, but hey, 64 gigabytes for pictures, I guess. And then we got the brick and the SIM ejector tool. I actually want to see how this case looks on it. All right, a little cheap case. I mean, I guess it's good for like just to hold, to protect the phone a little bit. All right, it is kind of like sticky. All right, that's cool. You get to see the back. All right, let's actually take this off because I do want to check out the inside. Here, let's turn it on actually. See if it's even charged. And it does come with a pre-installed screen protector, so that's nice also. All right, let's get the sim tool. Man, I might even like this better than the Note. They have the buttons on the right side. I think the Note has it on the left side, so that could be. I mean, it's not for me, so. All right, let's let that load. I'll use the magic of editing for it to turn on. Oh no, there you go. No need to edit. All right. Of course, it's gonna be in Spanish. All right, let's. All right, gotta read all that. Um, I've read all of it. No, that's optional, optional, optional. I don't check the optional ones. Um, let's just skip it for now. Um, I'll probably reset it anyway, so I guess keep going. Good thing I know Spanish, so saltar todos los modos. All right, so and I was debating whether to go with this one or the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So I decided to go with this one. It's more familiar. Uh, I heard Xiaomi is a good phone, but you know, it's a brand I've never tried, and I kind of like the Samsung. So, and where I'm gonna give it to is not gonna. They're gonna be fine with this. I actually want to look how. Okay, here we go. All right, that looks nice. Like I think at this point in time, like there can't be no bad displays. I'm sure there are phones with bad displays, but like there should be no reason to not have a good display. Like if this Samsung, you know, it's $200. It's you know, it's not the cheapest phone. I'm sure there's phones that you can get for $50, but for $200 and you have a nice display like this looks like if you were just using this around, nobody's gonna know it's a cheap phone. It looks like a nice phone, so this is a pretty good deal, I believe. All right, let's look at the sim tray. Where is that? Let's take a look. Sometimes they have these all confused. There you go. The first time you get them, they're like, there you go. So the reason I like this one is because it has the three. So it has for the micro SD card, and it has for two SIM cards. And see, like have tap. You have one for your local, and then you have your other SIM card for when you travel to wherever you go. So that's kind of dope. All right, let me put this in here, might as well. That's kind of cool. I like this. And I know this review it's not really a review. It's more like an unboxing slash like I don't even know what the term is. Okay, and even has always on display. That's cool. All right, and then if you go down here, you go to the main reason I got this phone. Let's see how that looks. Well, I should probably change this in English. Hold up. How did I do that? It should be. All right, I'm back. Um, I was able to finally change it into English. One of the things was I kept I wasn't sure how they always use different words. Um, so I had to find the right setting. So I got in English. All right, this is a lot more familiar to me. You got same typical Samsung stuff. So, but what I wanted to see was the reason I got this phone was the SIM cards in connection. You go to SIM card manager, and right here, this is where you put your two SIM cards. It'll show your two phone numbers up there, and you'll be able to decide which one you want for calls, which one you want for text messages, and which one you want for mobile data. I'm not sure yet. I haven't tried it yet. I'm sure you can mix and match if you want to call from one, text from other. And also right here, I see that it says dual SIM always on. So I'm, you know, thinking that if you have both SIM cards, if you get a text message, you'll receive them. And I know in some of them, if you want to make a phone call, it'll tell you, from which phone number you want to use. So that you know, if you have your other one on standby, like you're not using it, you can leave it there, but like not use it. That way, when you travel, you can just activate it or like program it so you can use it, and then you use it wherever you are. I mean, that's kind of cool because sometimes you want a local phone number. So if you travel and you stay there for long periods of time, you don't want to give the people around there like your phone number from the United States, because that would be long distance. So you give them the local number so that you first of all you look like a local, that you're from there, and then they don't be asking you all types of questions of like, oh, where this number from and all that. So that's kind of cool. That's the main reason I chose this. Um, and I know there's like the A20. This is the A30, as you can see in the box. There's the A50 and the A70. Those are all it's a cool kind of way to kind of provide different stages for what you need. They're all budget phones. The A70, I believe, is like more kind of borderline flagship, as a nerds like to call it, the geeks, the tech industry. But these are budget phones, so I mean, you get what you get. You're not gonna get the best quality. Like if you want to do gaming, this probably not gonna be the best gaming phone. It's not gonna be the heavy graphics. You're not gonna edit videos on here. Got the Go app there. I did some testing. I haven't set up the but like for like minimal gameplay, it's good. So yep. I think that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get to you. Any questions about this? But the screen is really good. Like I'm very impressed with the screen. Like compared to like previous budget phones that I've had, like this has been like the screen looks like uh like very good. Like if it's like right there. So if you're worried about the screen not being good or anything like that, no. But you get what you pay. So any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you some other time, I guess. All right.